Unlocking the Power of Infinite Energy, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, infinite energy. Whether you're a science enthusiast, a language learner, or just curious, this phrase packs a lot of punch and meaning. So, let's explore together what infinite energy really means in the English language. Infinite energy is a compound noun consisting of two parts, infinite and energy. Infinite means something without any limits or end, while energy refers to the strength and vitality required for sustained physical or mental activity. When combined, the phrase suggests a source of power or strength that never runs out or diminishes. It's often used both literally and metaphorically. In scientific and technological contexts, infinite energy can refer to a hypothetical or ideal energy source that never depletes. This concept is popular in discussions about renewable energy, like solar or wind power, which are often seen as endless sources of energy compared to fossil fuels. Beyond science, infinite energy is frequently used metaphorically. It can describe a person with boundless enthusiasm or stamina, like saying, "My toddler has infinite energy." It's also used in motivational contexts to encourage endless effort and optimism, like in the phrase, "Approach life with infinite energy." The phrase also appears in popular media and culture, often in stories featuring superheroes or futuristic themes where characters possess or seek an endless energy source. It symbolizes power, endurance, and the human aspiration for boundless capabilities. Infinite energy is a powerful phrase in English, rich with both literal and metaphorical meanings. Whether talking about endless sources of renewable energy or describing someone's unyielding zest for life, it's a phrase that captures the imagination and inspires. I hope this video has energized your understanding of infinite energy and added a spark to your English language journey. Keep learning and stay energetic.